You have to find 10,000 digit when all the numbers starting from 1 are written in the ascending order. This might sound difficult, but after today you can solve any similar question. So we start from here. From 1 to 9 you have all the single digit numbers, which means you have 9 single digit numbers. So multiply 9 by 1 and 9 digits have been used so far. From 10 to 99 you will have all the 2 digit numbers. That means 90 into 2. That is 180 digits have been used in 2 digits number. 3 digit number will start from 100 and end at 999. There are 900 such numbers multiplied by 3. So 2700 digits. For 4 digit number, go from 1000 to 9999. That means 9000 into 4, 36,000 digits. But we need 10,000 digits. That means the number will lie between this range. If you add 9, 180 and 2700, this gives you 2889 digits up to number 999. Now tell me how many digits are left. That will be 10,000 minus 2889, which is 7111. So what does 7111 means? When you start writing 1000, 1001, 1002, so on, what you need is the 7111th digit. Since this every number is 4 digit number, if we divide 7111 by 4, we will at least get the 4 digit number we require. This will be 1777.75. First focus on this 1777. Starting from 1000, 1777th number will be, so add 1777 and 999. You get 2776. But don't stop here because we have earlier neglected this 0.75. Now tell me for 1777 4 digit numbers, how many digits will be used? This will be 1777 into 4, 7108. Now add this 7108 4 digits in the 2889 earlier used up digits. We have found that till number 2776, you have used up 9997 digits. So next number after 2776 will be 2777. 2 will be 9998 digit, 7 999 digit, and this 7 will be our 10,000 digit. So your answer will be this 7. Now tell me what will be the 5,000 digit and write your answer in the comment section.